I'll demonstrate several ways to view the active processes in Windows 11 in this video. On the taskbar, click on the search icon. In the search window, type in CMD in the search bar and click on Run as administrator option as shown in the screenshot below. When the command prompt opens up in administrator mode, copy and paste the following command, hit the Enter key, task list. The command executed will give you details on the applications and processes running in your machine, their process IDs, memory usage, etc. Right-click on the Windows icon and click on the Windows Terminal Admin option. Windows PowerShell would now open in admin mode. Once it does, copy and paste the following command and hit the Enter key. Get process. The above command would give you details like the name of the process, its CPU usage, its process ID, etc. Right-click on the Windows icon on the taskbar and click on the Task Manager option. When the Task Manager window opens up, click on the More Details option to expand the Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, click on the Processes tab. Now, you will be able to see the list of processes running in your system as shown in the screenshot below. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.